Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now look at this job. This is the job and it is in Spain, so I want to send an email to this. So email ID is there and job description is here. So let me start my application, which is called Job Apply. So this particular application is not running right now, I think. So let me see. Yeah, it is not running. So I will ask my agent to run this. Okay, maybe it is running. No, it is not running. So let me run this. This is the URL. Okay, run this application locally, both front end and back end. Okay, so I don't know how fast is this today. Backend is here. Okay, let's see whether I can do it myself. CVR, oh sorry, CVR. Okay, clear. Okay, so it is working. Yes, it is starting Python. Oh, it has some error. Okay, it will fix it and run it. This is the backend. It is running, I think. Now the front end part also it should start. Okay, perfect. Both is running. Now let's see. It is 3000. Okay, so we can just go to this 3000. Okay, oh wow. So I just have to paste my job here, so it will extract the email ID. Then I just need to click on this button. It will create Outlook email. Oh, there is error. So Gemini key is not configured. So I need to fix this. I will tell my agent to fix it again. Gemini, I need to go to Gemini and get the key. This is Gemini. How to get the key? I will ask Gemini only. Gemini export. Okay, do I need to do export? From which website I can get the key? Okay. Okay, here. Oh, this is not this settings and help, I think. Where is that? Activity, public links, manage subscriptions, and it's not telling. So I need to ask our agent. Agent can help. We'll ask agent to get the key. Gemini Studio. Okay. Yes. Copilot gives us the direct website to get the key. So we have this key already here. Then we need to put that key here. Okay, export. We need to write this export command. Export Gemini API key equal to, and then my key. Okay, I did that. Then I need to start again looks like. npm run dev we gone. Okay, this one. Address is already in use. Need to kill that. I'll ask how to kill this. PID user. Yes. Okay, it is telling us this to kill. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it will run. Job apply helper. Okay, now let's do that. Oh, still no. Not to tell Germany. Control C. Control C. Control C. Okay. Where is that key gone? Okay, this is separate. This one is here. Okay, it's also not there. It is killed somehow. Okay, I need to get the key again. Set this key and run backend again if it is not running. Okay. Okay, so it is running now. Job helper. Yes, it is working now. So after key is there, so it generates a cover letter also. Then this is what it comes. I just have to attach the CV and then it's all done. Let's attach the CV. Where is my CV gone? Okay, here. Wow, it went. So this is that application I created, job apply helper. So I don't have to compose the email, it just compiles everything. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye. I'll stop the recording.